In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but we will see more precisely tout. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. So in this lesson, we will see tout, and the indefinite tout can be translated to all, every, everyone, or everything in English. So we will see 4 examples with tout. Tout le monde était présent à la réunion. Tout le monde était présent à la réunion. Il me faut tout. Il me faut tout. Nous ne pourrons pas tout manger, il y en a trop. Nous ne pourrons pas tout manger, il y en a trop. Elle veut tout regarder ce soir. Elle veut tout regarder ce soir.